Now we have two different formulas to find the area of each triangle. Well, actually, we have three formulas. First one is you have learned in primary school, base times height divided by 2. And then the second one is half times AB sine theta. And then the third one is the Heron's formula. Okay, so that is we just learned here. We have done the instant drill number 17 yesterday, right? Okay, and let us use example 18 to as a warm-up exercise today. Okay, let's read exercise example 18. Example 18. So in the figure, BD is equal to BC, and then angle BAD is 42 degrees, AB is 7 cm, AD is 6.5 cm, CD is 5 cm. So everything is marked on the diagram, okay? And then you just need to focus on the diagram, will be okay. Part A, find the length of BD. Find the length of BD. Okay. Starting from this question, these examples, I think from now on, the questions will involve all the formulas you have learned in this chapter. Okay. Sometimes they'll be using sine formula, maybe cosine formula, maybe the area formula or the Heron's formula. Okay. So in this case, I want to find the length BD. Length BD. BD belongs to which triangle? Triangle BCD or BAD. Which one is better for us to do the calculation? BCD? Is it? Or BAD? So I think BAD should be better because there are more information for us to do, right? Okay, we have 3 informations in triangle BAD. Okay, so which formula are we going to use to find BD in triangle ABD? Is it cosine formula or sine formula? Do you remember how to choose whether to use sine formula or cosine formula? Right.
When you have the two sides, which one?
Yeah.
And then one angle.
You choose sine formula for this. You agree? Actually, no. This one is not sine formula. Among the 3 given information, do we have one pair of corresponding length and angle? No. Okay, this length should be corresponding to this angle. We don't know. This length should be corresponding to this angle. We don't know. This angle should be corresponding to this length. We don't know. Okay, so we do not have any one pair of corresponding length and angle. So we cannot use sine formula. Do you understand? So we must use cosine formula for this. So in triangle BAD, we are going to use cosine formula to find length. So we are going to put the length on the left hand side. C square is equal to A square plus B square. So that is 7 square plus 6.5 square minus 2AB. That is 2 times 7 times 6.5 times cosine angle C. That is 42 degrees. Okay, do you still remember this cosine formula? Okay, and then the right hand side is a pure number. So you may use the calculator to calculate the right hand side, and don't forget to take square root on the next step. Okay. So I also need a calculator. 7 square plus the BD square should be 23.62 something, and then when you take square root on the answer, it should be 4.1. 860434228. And as this will be the answer for the part A, so you need to take 3 SF. So BD will be equal to 4.86. Do we have unit. Yes. Wait. The question asks us to correct to 1 dp, not 3 SF, which should be 4.9 cm. Okay, this one is correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, but this is not the final part. 我琴日係咪琴日啊？琴日嗰堂臨尾嘅時候咪教咗你用嗰個計數機嘅 memory 啊 ？OK， 呢度唔係最尾，即係未去到成題嘅最尾一 part， 但係又有啲難數，陣間有機會用嘅時候咧，我哋將呢一個難數啱啱撳咗出嚟嗰個難數，將佢 save 喺 memory A 嗰度。OK 得唔得？咁我會咁樣寫嘅，你直頭可以咁樣寫嘅噃，即係喺個 solution 裏邊咧，你咁樣啦，跟住框住佢 ，like this。即係話陣間咧，我就會喺 memory A 嗰度咧咁樣用啦。OK， Do you remember how to store the answer to memory A? We have 7 different memories. It's answer, shift, recall, negative. OK， 嗱陣間如果我哋需要用到呢個數字嘅時候咧，我就用翻個 memory A， 唔使自己再打多次啦。OK， and then part B。Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD, the area. This is not a special 4-side polygon. Okay, we do not have formula to calculate this area directly. Okay, so what shall we do? Yes, we need to cut this quadrilateral into 2 triangles, right? Okay, first one is this one. Do we have sufficient information to calculate the area of triangle ABD? Do we have formula? Yes. Which formula are we going to use? There are 3 options. Okay, base times height divided by 2, or half AB sine theta, or Heron's formula. Okay, for triangle ABD, we have length A, length B, and the included angle. So we are going to use the half AB sine theta formula. Do you understand? And how about BCD? What information do we have in triangle BCD? We have 6, that's right, this is 5 cm. This is 5 cm, and we have found the length of BD in part A. And it's given that BC is equal to BD, right? So we have all the lengths in triangle BCD. So which formula are we going to use to find the area of this triangle? The last one, the Heron's formula. Remember, calculate the S first, and then calculate the area by using the long square roots. Okay, let's do this now. We do it separately. Okay, find the 2 areas separately. Part B, the area of triangle ABD first is equal to half times 6.5 times 7 times sine 42 degrees. Okay, and then just use the calculator. Can we use base times height divided by 2 in triangle ABD? If we use 7 cm to be the base, then the height should be found using extra steps. Okay, this will be the height. If you use 6.5 to be the base, then you need to find this height. It is not found yet, right? Use this to be the base, then you need to find this height. Okay, it's not ready to use this formula. You understand? So when it's ready, if it is a right angle triangle, or if you have the information about the base and the height at the same time, then you may use the base times height divided by 2. Okay, this time it's not. So we better use the half AB sine theta. Okay, so that should be. Let me see. Can you do the calculator with me together? I'm not good at using calculator actually. 15.222.72129. Am I correct? Okay, thank you. And this is not an exact value, so I need to save this to memory B. Okay, so answer store to memory B. Okay, so paste it in the solution first. And we also need to find the area of triangle BCD. Okay, but this time we need to use the Heron's formula. So we need to find the S first. S is equal to this BD plus BC plus 5. Okay, BD plus BC plus 5 over 2. Okay, and both BD and BC are memory A. Okay, so we will do this A plus 5, and then enter, and then divide by 2. And I'll get 7.36 something. Okay, and again, this is not a nice number, so I am going to store this to memory C. Okay, finally, I will use the Heron's formula to find the area of triangle BCD. Is equal to this S times S minus BD times S minus BC times S minus 5. Okay. S will be memory C. BD and BC are both memory A. You understand? Okay, so please do not enter those long decimal numbers yourself. Okay. Then, so square root, I will calculate this inside square root first. S is memory C. So C, 記得點樣攞返個 ABC 出嚟啊？ It's alpha and then that letter. Okay, and then bracket C minus A bracket C minus A bracket, and then bracket C minus 5. Okay, and then enter, and then take the square root. I think it's 10 point something, right? Okay, and this is not the final answer yet, because we need to add the two areas together, right? So I need to store this to memory D. Finally, to calculate the area of the whole quadrilateral ABCD, we just need to add the memory B and memory D together. Okay, so the area of ABCD is equal to this 15.222 plus 10.4204789. So that will be memory B plus memory D. Should be 25.6, right? Am I correct? Yes. And we have unit is cm squared. Okay. This number is correct to 1 dp. Yes. 打錯字邊度？係喎 ，sorry 呢個15嚟嘅。Thank you, sorry 15嚟嘅。係 ，thank you。係嘛？我一自己寫一次咧就錯啦。Anyone is feeling sick because of the math? No, don't worry. Feeling headache or stomachache. Do you have any problems up to now? So that is how we can calculate the area of a triangle, okay? And now I would like you to do the instant rule number 18. Let's do the instant rule number 18. Give me 5 minutes. Which one? Half AB sine theta. That is the third formula. Okay. Half AB sine theta. Like this. So now, ID 18.好快試試啦。你要盡量善用計數機裏邊嘅 memory 就得，唔好下都自己撳啲難數嘅。同埋咧，譬如你上一題用咗嗰啲 memory 啦，跟住咧你唔使 delete 佢嘅，你下一題如果你用到嘅時候咧，你自己再即係 overwrite 咗咁就得㗎啦。OK。 You get the long decimal numbers correct. 自己撳一次就記住我。嗱，我先講啦，我自己咧真係唔係好擅長計數機。我先喺度撳嘅時候咧，你話翻我聽，你有冇犯過同我啱啱嘅錯誤咧？就係我譬如撳完呢個數字出嚟啦，我成日都唔記得 save 落去 memory 度，跟住撳嘅時候咧，原來就用咗之前嗰個咁樣，咁就錯晒㗎啦。記唔記得啊？即係如果你要 save 嘅話咧，你要用嘅話咧，記得 save。要即刻撳完之後咧，即刻 answer store to memory A memory B 咁樣 ，OK， 記得 save 佢。你先。So do you have any problems for this instant drill? It's okay. Can you get all the numbers correct? Okay, good. Anyone who cannot get the numbers correct? So basically, this is already the end of chapter 9. Okay, so the remaining part, so I will do more exercise about the 4 formulas. Okay, so let's continue tomorrow. Stand up. Hi class.